Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare South Indian style rice dumplings. This is called Kanji Kozhukattai and the ingredients are boiled rice or idli rice 2 cups, fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon, moong dal 1/4 cup, garlic 5 to 6 cloves if they are big or more if they are tiny, grated coconut half cup, milk half cup and salt. First wash the rice at least 3 times and drain it. Soak it with drinking water for a couple of hours. I'm using a mixie to grind this, so I'm going to grind it in 2 or 3 portions and I shall add the salt in the last portion that I grind, and I'm going to use more water since it's easier for the mixie to grind it well. Grind it into a fine batter and then remove the excess water by draining it in a cloth. Batter has to be of thicker consistency so it is easier to make the dumplings. Add 1.5 to 2 liters of water in a thick bottom vessel and then add half cup of milk and bring this to a boil. As it starts to boil, add the fenugreek seeds, moong dal and the sliced garlic. As all the ingredients cook well, you can start making the dumplings with the rice batter and drop them directly into this liquid. You can just check your stove and make sure it is on medium or low medium so that the dumplings do not stick to the bottom of the vessel. The dumplings can be of a small marble size. You can stir in between to check that the rice dumplings are not sticking to the bottom. Once you are done making the dumplings from all of the batter, allow it to cook well. Add very little salt to this liquid mixture. Remember, you already added salt in the batter, so it does not need a lot of salt here. Stir it and allow it to be on the stove on sim for some time. And then switch off the stove. Allow the mixture to cool a little bit. And then you can add the grated coconut and mix well. You can replace the grated coconut with coconut milk if you prefer to have a smooth texture when you eat. Hot Kanji Kozhukattai is ready. Hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching. And if you like this, please do subscribe for my channel, and there are more tips at the end of this video. Thank you.